Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 1. Name of the chapter is measurement and it is our summary lecture 2. Subtopics for the chapter are we have done conversion sums and the formulas in the previous lecture, summary lecture 1, and also we have done addition and subtraction of metric system. So in this summary lecture 2, it is in continuity. We will do now multiplication and division. Multiplication and division of metric system. Along with this, we will do practice sums. Okay, so as this lecture is in continuity, summary lecture 2 is there, and in summary lecture 1, we have done questions 1 to 5 with the conversion formulas related to length, weight and capacity. Now we will do multiplication and division of metric system. Now let's take next question number. Question number 6. The capacity of a bucket is 25 liter. It has 13 liter of water. How much more water can it hold? The capacity of a bucket is 25 liter. Means the bucket can hold 25 liter of water. But it has 13 liter of water. How much more water can it hold? Can it hold means कितना पानी इसमें और आ सकता है. ओके, सो 25 लीटर पानी आ सकता था, 13 लीटर डाल दिया, कितना और आ सकता है. सो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट वी हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. So start the solution. Capacity of the bucket is equal to 25 liter. Water in the bucket 13 liter. More water it can hold. Is equal to, you will do subtraction. 25 liter minus 13 liter. 25 minus 13, 12 liter. You can do in column also or in this way. Okay, here also you can do subtraction in the form of column. Both the ways are okay. Now we will do multiplication and division of metric system. Okay, Question number 7. Multiply 2 gram 8 decigram 9 centigram by 9. It is simple multiplication. Only and only the extra thing is you have to write down units at the top, which you don't do in the simple multiplication questions. 2 gram 8 decigram 9 centigram multiply by 9. 9 nines are 81. 8 carry, 9 eights are 72. 72 plus 8, 80. 0 will come, again 8 carry. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 8, 26. So our answer will become 26 gram 0 decigram. No need to write down. 26 gram and 1 centigram is your answer. Okay. Next question, question number 8. Divide 3 decagram 2 gram 3 decigram 5 centigram and 5 milligram by 9. Now put division sign. Write your decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. 3 decagram, 2 gram, 3 decigram, 5 centigram, 5 milligram divided by 9. 9 and here we see that 9 is divisor 3. Dividend का first digit, that is smaller. So 9 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Now take the next digit, 2. Okay. 9 threes are 27 minus. Now 12 minus 7, 5. Next digit we will take, that is 3. 9 fives are, so we'll write down below decigram because we have considered the decigram digit. 9 fives are 45. Subtract this, 13 minus 5, 8 and 4 minus 4, 0. Consider the next digit, that is 5. Now it is 85. 9 nines are 81. Right. 5 minus 1, 4. 8 minus 8, 0. Now 4 will be written here. Consider the next last digit. 5. Now 9 fives are, here we will write down in milligram 5. 9 fives are 45. Now it is finished. So what have you got? 3 gram, 5 decigram, 9 centigram, 5 milligram. Write down the answer at last. 0 decagram, no need to write down. 3 gram, 5 decigram, 9 centigram and 5 milligram. In our book there are two simple questions. Divide 63.924 gram by 20 gram. We have done this type of sums in chapter decimal also. Only gram is extra. You have to do simple division and after that put decimal. One more question is here. Weight of one Pepsi can is 53 gram. Find the weight of 19 such cans. So you know how to do this. Weight of one can and weight of 19 cans. You can do multiplication. Okay. This question I am going to take of division. You know how to do this, but decimal is there. And let's check is the division completed or not. Divide 63.924 gram by 20 gram. 63.924 divided by 20. 23 is 60. Consider 9. 21 is 20. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. Take the next digit 2. 29 is 9 to the 18. 29 is 180. 1 0 will increase. Na? 2 minus 0, 2. And 9 minus 8, 1. Next digit you will take 4. 26 120. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 4 is left. Take 1 0. Why we are taking? Because after decimal we can put 0. 22 is 40. 22 is 40. Now our division is finished. Now after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put decimal here. Got it? After completion of the division is big. So if you are able to see the top part, then you can't see the below one. Okay, but the simple division is here. You can do very carefully and it can be correct. It must be correct, definitely. And the important thing is when you write down the answer, in your answer you will write down unit. 3.1962 gram is your answer. Right? Next question, question number 10 from worksheet. A cake weighing 3 whole 1/2 kilogram was distributed among 14 children. Equally. What was the weight of each piece? In gram. 3 whole 1/2 kilogram is the weight of cake. It is distributed among 14 children equally. We have to find out the weight of each piece. For one piece, you have to do division. So solution you will start. Weight of the cake. Three whole 1/2 kilogram. That is 3.5 kilogram. Half kilogram means 0.5 kilogram. You know this. Or you can do in the form of fraction also. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 means 7 divided by 2. It will give the answers 3.5 kilogram. Now we have to give our answer in gram. So we will convert. It will become 3.5 multiplied by 1000 gram. In statement sums, it is not needed to do conversion step by step. If you know oral answer or if you know how to do directly, you can use that also. Okay. But it should be correct. Oral आप करें तो वो correct होना चाहिए. Otherwise, you can do step by step. Now decimal will shift 3 places forward. It will become 3500 gram. Okay. If you do multiplication, you can write in this way also. Okay. We will use 3500 gram. Now write down number of children 14. Weight of each piece. Total weight divided by 14. 3500 divided by 14. 14 2s are 28. 35 minus 28 7. Take the 0. 14 5s are 70. Consider last 0. 14 zeros are 0. Put minus sign. Each piece has weight 250 gram. Understood? Next question is question number 12. Sudha and Radha stay 115 kilometers apart. They decided to meet at a point. Okay. Sudha walked 57 kilometers. Find the distance to be covered by Radha. And you have to express your answer in meter. Okay, this is a question. Sudha and Radha stay 115 किलोमीटर अपार्ट. सुधा और राधा एक दूसरे से 115 किलोमीटर दूर हैं. ओके. और वो दोनों एक पॉइंट पे मिले, ऐसा उन्होंने डिसाइड किया. सुधा वॉकड 57 किलोमीटर. सुधा ने कितना वॉक किया मिलने के लिए? 57 किलोमीटर. नाउ हाउ मच डिस्टेंस राधा हैज टू कवर? यू विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. गॉट इट? है ना. बाकी का डिस्टेंस राधा को कवर करना है, तो 115 माइनस 57. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल डू कन्वर्जन इन मीटर्स. You can do in the starting also conversion. So let's start the solution. Distance between Sudha and Radha is equal to 115 kilometer. Sudha walked is equal to 57 kilometer. Kilometer. Distance covered by, or you can say distance टू बी कवर्ड, क्योंकि ये डिस्टेंस अभी कवर्ड करना है, बाय राधा इज इक्वल टू 115 किलोमीटर माइनस 57 किलोमीटर. 15 minus 7, 8. 10 minus 5, 5. Now we have to give the answer in meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And now distance covered is 58 kilometer. So 58 kilometer will become 58 multiplied by 1000 meter. Okay. So it will become 58,000 meter. So this is the distance to be covered by Radha. Radha has to cover this much distance. Beta, this question was question number 11 and by mistake I have written it 12. Now it's time to take homework. We have revised each and every topic, each and every question, and you have got assignment 1 also. Now assignment 2. Do assignment 2 of chapter 1 in maths notebook. Assignment you will get on EdQuark website as well as on your WhatsApp groups. That's all for today. Prepare well. Bye bye. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.